We are learning chord inversions in the key of E major. We are in the key of E major. This is your 1, 2, up to 7 in E major. So E major with both hands. 1, 2, 3. I believe that you already know this, because what I'm going to teach you now is only going to make sense if you know your scale in the key of E major, right? Now let's look at the chord inversions. Chord inversions basically is playing, that one note or that one chord in more than one way, and it makes a huge difference when you're playing a song. Instead of just playing the root chord, you can add your inversions. It makes a huge difference. And when we're going to demonstrate how you can use this in a song, you'll see the difference. Now let's see, we are on 1, right? We are in the key of E major, and this is your 1. Already know it because you already learned your scale. Now this is gonna be your root note, a root chord, and then this is your first inversion, and then this is your second inversion on 1. First inversion, root chord, first inversion, second inversion. Let's do this first with only my right hand, right? And then it's your root chord. We're on 2. This is your 2. First inversion, second inversion. Moving along, going to 3. Root chord of 3. First inversion, second inversion, second inversion, second inversion. And then moving to 4. So 4, root chord 4, first inversion, second inversion. Okay, 4, root chord, first inversion, second inversion. Root chord of 5, first inversion, second inversion. Okay, and then 6, root chord, first inversion, second inversion. The last one is 6, root chord 6, first inversion, second inversion. Now let's play these chord inversions again from 1 up to 7 using both hands. This was 1, this is 2, 2, 2, first inversion, second inversion, root chord 3, first inversion, second inversion, root chord of 4, first inversion, second inversion, root chord 5, first inversion, second inversion, root chord of 6, first inversion, second inversion. The last one, 7, root chord of 7, first inversion, second inversion. And if you feel like I was fast, please do go back. You can just always go back to the video, make sure that you learn this. This is very important, Now let's see how we can use that in a song. Let's play the song progression using the chord inversions that we just learned. Let's do the song Yeshua, and we're gonna start from 4, right? And we'll use first the second inversions of each note. So starting from 4, Yeshua. Let's move now to the root chord. Yeshua. Now moving to the first inversions. Yeshua. So you see that I was playing the song Yeshua using different chord inversions, but the progression is still the same, from 4 to 5 to 6 and then going back to 5. So that's how you get to use your chord inversions within a song. I hope this helped, and yeah, keep on practicing.